Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will be making chicken in tamarind sauce. The tang of the tamarind works really well with the combination of spices used, and you'll have a delicious homemade dinner that all your family members will rave about. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for the tamarind sauce. Now the ingredients for the marination, and lastly the other ingredients. The method. Let's marinate the chicken, so add the salt, turmeric powder and lemon juice to the washed and slashed chicken pieces. Mix well. Now set aside to marinate for 30 minutes. Remember, the longer the better. Now let's prepare the tamarind sauce. So add the coconut powder, Cumin seed powder, Kashmiri Chilli Powder, Coriander seed powder, Chilli Flakes, Tamarind Pulp, tomato ketchup and water. Please note, you can adjust the spice level of the dish by increasing or decreasing the amount of chili powder and chili flakes used. Mix well and set aside for later use in this recipe. Now let's prepare the curry. So heat oil in the wok, then add in the cumin seeds, curry leaves, toss. Drop in the chopped onions, ginger paste and the garlic paste, and fry. Now drop in the marinated chicken pieces. Cook on high heat. Fry well until the chicken pieces are well seared on all sides. Now drop in the tamarind sauce that we had prepared and set aside, and continue to cook. Bring to boil. Then cover and simmer until the chicken is cooked. Please note, adjust the cooking time according to the type of chicken pieces used. Now open and mix and continue to cook. Please note, adjust the spice level of the dish by increasing or decreasing the amount of green chilies used. So drop in the chopped green chilies, dried fenugreek leaves, garam masala powder, salt, and the chopped green coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. Then garnish with green chilies and baby tomatoes. Then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes or until done. Lastly, serve hot with tadka dal, vegetable curry, naan bread, and onion slices, or with any other accompaniment of your choice. And there you have it. A delicious homemade dinner, a tangy and delicious chicken and tamarind sauce curry. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video. And subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.